You got a truck. You got to get in there and steer it. What are you doing getting out? Where's he going? You got to go get on that little thing when you got that big truck? Come on, Walkie, go back and get in your big truck.
Turn it around for him so he can go around and around.
Well, what he's about to do. I just want to see if he's going to run over the little one with the big one. Jump back in there. Were you just wanting to run over the other one? Push.
You're burning Daddy's grass.
You can burn up my grass.
Come on.
All right, you ready? Say, love you guys.